All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we change out our tooling for the power head. As you can see now, I have the medium-sized crease wheel. I can also run the large crease wheel in this position. To take the tool out, I want to remove these cotter pin keys here. I'm going to remove this one, and then I'm going to do the same up top. Remove the pin. Remove that, and then this whole unit comes out just like that. Now, to put the large crease wheel in, kind of the same kind of thing. I'm only just going to use one of the locking pins here. So I just put that one in there, and then I replace my my lock here. So again, that's if you're running you know, your corrugate materials. For this situation, we are going to also put in a V-notch tool. So the key with this one is you do want to make sure that it goes in the correct direction. And you can tell that by looking here for the little key on top. If we look inside of here, just barely see it right there as a little pin. So that pin matches here. So I'm gonna load the tool in like this. And I'm gonna turn it sideways. And then I'm gonna load in these pins, and we will lock them down with our key. Go. Same with this one. Now, this does use a different calibration than the crease wheels. So this tool will need to be set up and calibrated through the wizard. So when you first install this and it rotates, it's going to recognize that, hey, this is something different, because this tool does have magnets at the top. So those magnets are going to tell the machine that, hey, this is different than the crease wheel that you just had in there. So you need to run a fresh calibration with it. So again, if we kind of look at the top here, those two circles there are the magnets. The different angles have different arrays of magnets, and that kind of tells the machine what kind of angle tool this is. So whenever you're doing your calibrations, another key thing to remember is once you cut the material, you know, you're going to cut it from the top side. When you look at the sheet and the lines that it creates, you know, you're going to cut the top side, and then when you read it, you want to flip it up in this direction, and then you read left to right. So you want to flip it front to back, and then you read your calibration on the back. And again, that's for your angular alignments on a new tool that you put in this power position. So you will need to run your calibrations there. Those calibrations are pretty simple to get to. Let's take a look here at this machine. If we boot this software up. And when you're in your software screen here, you're going to want to go to the bottom, machine connection, tool configuration, and then you're going to select your V-notch 45. You're going to tell it you want to adjust, and then again you're going to go in here and do everything from top down on your calibrations, and then once you finish, again, that's going to save, and you will be good from that point forward. You won't have to do those calibrations each time. But again, remember to flip the sheet up and read the calibrations from the back side. That's especially important on these V-notch tools. You want to read that calibration, you know, from the back side where the tip of that blade is. So again, you're going to do all your cuts, cut, and then you're going to flip the sheet and read everything from the back side for the alignments. Thank you much.